Have you got cracked face painting powders? I'll show you how to fix your face painting powders when they have cracked. Hey guys, Maria Mitchell here. Thanks for joining me today. I want to share with you my frustration that I have with face painting powders and how to fix it. So this is a Starblend that I've purchased in a pink colour that I love to use for girls' cheeks, to give them rosy cheeks, or even just to blend some colours for a face painting design. But what I've done, I've dropped it on the floor with the lid on, and it's just crumbled everywhere. So I just want to show you how to fix this situation up. And obviously now it's quite hard to grab my smoothie blender and pick up a good chunk. So what you're going to need is your Starblend or your face painting powder or makeup powder. You'll also need a strainer or a sifter, a little bowl, a spoon, and just a glass, anything that has a flat bottom that we're going to use to press the powder down. We'll also need a funnel. I'm just using a silicone funnel here. So what I want to start doing now is just pouring this powder onto the strainer, so just bit by bit. Now I've got, as you can see, my spoon is gravitating to the middle of that. I've got a magnet behind this so that this powder can magnet to my face painting kit, so just be wary of that. You might need to use a plastic spoon. So I'm just going to pour it all out. Tap it on the sides just to get rid of any excess that's sticking to the sides there. Okay, there we have all of the powder onto the strainer, and what I want to do is just with my spoon, I just want to work that powder into the bowl. So we're just basically bringing it all back into powder form again before we press it. Because what these powders are, they're just, they're basically like pressed powders that we use for makeup, but obviously with colour, high pigment colour. Pressing down. Just breaking down that powder, all of those powdered bits. All of those bits we just want to break up. Okay, we're done. Now we're left with all of this beautiful pure powder of pink. I'm just going to put that aside, and now with my Starblend base, I'm going to grab my funnel. And I just want to pour all of that powder, that's nice and loose now. I'm going to pour it right back into the cake and just tap the funnel so it all piles in. Here we go, we're done with that. And now we're left with all of that beautiful powder. Now this is where I grab my glass, and I'm just going to go ahead and press all of that powder, starting from the middle, because you don't want any powder to spill over to the side, obviously. So from the middle, starting out, and that's going to spread the powder out to each edge, out to the edges of this cake. Now if I just tap it a bit, I'll loosen up whatever's on top. And pressing down again. So working all of that powder all the way through the edges and pressing it right down. And just squashing it down. Just bringing any loose powder to the middle by shaking it about like that. And then just pressing down. So you're pressing down quite firmly. And now once that's done, it's all pressed again. So there you have a Starblend powder that's ready to be used. That solves your problem of having cracked powder or cracked Starblends in your face painting kit. So I could just grab a smoothie blender now and apply it just like that. And that's ready to go and ready to be stored for the next face painting gig. I hope this helped you guys in fixing up all of your Starblends or whichever face painting powder you prefer using. It can also help anyone that's using eyeshadows that have cracked or foundations that have cracked. This tends to completely fix those powdered cakes that you have. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.